everybody, what's up? So, the 4 of you that regularly watch this channel are probably wondering, where'd you guys go? Why haven't you posted since, I don't know, the second week of December? This is why, as I'm standing in a sea of junk. And why? Well, what Couture and I thought was gonna be a simple, move things around, reorganization project turned into, let's blow up the entire shop. And when we blew up the entire shop, we realized we actually need to fix things with the house itself. And so yeah, it has become a thing. It's gonna still be a thing for about 4 more weeks. And then that's a conservative estimate. I hope it's more than oof. But just to say, we're here, we're reorganizing the shop, and we'll be back hopefully in February. If you feel the need, if you feel the itch to see any more of our content, well, we do have almost 300 videos in our library, so please watch those. That actually does help a lot, even though we're not making content currently. Watching those old videos, liking, subscribing, doing all those things does actually make a difference. And hopefully in the next, I don't know, month or so, Couture and I will be back in full swing. We've got a lot of really cool things this summer planned. We've got a lot of really cool things planned for spooky season 2025. So hang in there, and we'll see you guys next time.